8 a.m. pa kami pwede yung makyat. So, wait muna ako. So, we're not having latte today. Americano lang. Walang sugar. So sad. Pero okay lang. I need a stronger one. Eggs. Guys, we are now here at Birth Bean in Podium Ortigas for their soft opening. We're gonna be to do some floral installs and just a little bit of decor to place here outside.